Elindult most a stream. Na, megnézzük, mi van ma. Nagyon nagy nyitási gap van. Rakunk zenét. Vigyázzatok, hogy vannak a telefonba.
Cigányok, de zsiványok, mellettem a család, reszkesse nem így. Armani gyártó, bitch from Milano, rollie on my wrist like Black Kennedy. De siatja oda nyalja, behatol a farka, kicsit lucskos, de ő így szereti. Gyere cica baba halkan, masszírozd a talpam, őket tárgeri endeneris. Big guys, poppin all night, de a szívemben a sár meg a ghetto. Big size, bakom on price. Oh, kicsi ucsi, I'm a love, do my letto.
Here's Britney Spears, I've been popping on the spears. Big deals, Netflix films, sexy baby smoking trees.
Nagyon vörösek a szemeid, a kezeidbe bong. Emlegeti majd a nevemet, úgy mint a Trianon. Úgy szakítom a ruhát, kicsi cici kicsatol. Amíg cumizod a kárt, megdobok egy dedalon. Talpra cigányok, de zsiványok, mellettem a család, reszkesse nem így. Armani gyártó, bitch from Milano, rollie on my wrist like Black Kennedy. De siatja oda nyalja, bőrtől a farka. Kicsit lucskos, de ő így szereti. Gyerek cica-baba hallgat, masszírozd a talpam. Égető tárgeri endene. Red light boy, so many. Tudod a gatyam, aki gombolt. Already down, down, work dance all over me. Én meg csak dobálom a kezd, amíg a budi go down, down, down. Hoppó plastik, küldött nekem masztit. Hívom is a taxit, csak leszopatom a roxit. De baszki a taktik, te bekapod a fasztit. Csak játszok a titiket, patogtatom a lastit. Fame, cannabis brain, pusztít a technik. Black dick, rossz kislány őkér. De platinát ér, mindegyik eső a sláger listán. Rapra cigányok, Nick de zsiványok. Mellettem a család, reszkessen emény. Armani gyártó, bitch from Milano. Rollie on my wrist like Black Kennedy. De siatja oda nyalja, bőrtől a farka. Kicsit lucskos, de ő így szereti. Gyere cica-baba hallgat, masszírozd a talpam. Égető tárgeri endeneris.
Zsadárába muropról menjünk kocsikázni. Oda van értünk a városban minden gágyi. Mindjárt ott vagyok a 8-ba. 15 perc múlva legyél már zsádárába muropról, ilyen a stílusunk. Már csak egyedül az esem, akit felkapunk. Gyertek véleim csak roszta, okosba. Figyelj oda, mit beszélsz a telefonba. Nálunk mindenki raj, nem ratyi. Vagyunk bégi, mint az éjjel-nappali. Több mint 10 éve, csak a zene így élek. Szemetekben látjuk az irítséget. Hazai pálya, a stíl verhetetlen. Nem vagyok izda, én csak terhetetlen. Büszke vagyok, baby, minden percben. Habibi, habibi. És ha te sanszot kapsz az élettől, azt használd ki. Tesóm, azt mondom, hogy mindenkivel basszál ki. Csak úgy, mint a ringben a klasszárpi. Gyere tesóm, zsádárába muropról menjünk kocsikázni. Oda van értünk a városban minden gágyi. Mindjárt ott vagyok a 8-ba. 15 perc múlva legyél már zsádárába muropról, ilyen a stílusunk. Már csak egyedül az esem, amit felkapunk. Gyertek véleim csak roszta, okosba. Figyelj oda, mit beszélsz a telefonba.
Az utca zenét akarnak még mindig hallani. A díli karton kívül akarnak minket tartani.
De ez nem megy,
és sohasem fog menni. A város után az országot jöttünk bevenni. Az úrnak áll, amíg kamázzák, amit dumálok. Itt vidéken pontosan tudják, kik a pujárok. Mindig éles a helyzet, nincs elég ott a próba. Finom borok, finom nők, testvér mindig a jóba. Ott mulatunk reggelig, ahol ti már rinyáltok. A pesti utcákról velem vannak a királyok. Élesek, zsiványok, köztudat eredmények. Ez sem Mario Beat, legyetek szerencsések.
Menjünk kocsikázni. Oda van értünk a városban minden gágyi. Mindjárt ott vagyok a 8-ba. 15 perc múlva legyél már zsádárába muropról, ilyen a stílusunk. Már csak egyedül az esem, amit felkapunk. Gyertek véleim csak roszta, okosba. Figyelj oda, mit beszélsz a telefonba. Hey csillor, bíz már elő, kifordítani. Fehér Tibor beat, a tilos stílt. Hozom a stílom real, ilyen a cigó stíl. A filom prim, mint Silo Green. És mint egy ispán, úgy uralom a környéket. Az unalom nem környék, ez engem sem a törvények. Gyilkos rímörvények, színaranyba halasztva. Vigyázz, mert az ujjam baszki, rátettem a ravaszra. Nem lesz ki gond, nem lehet aliba. Sima liba, ömlik a viszki, ez itt a gypsy hip-hop mafia. Tuti a flash, hogyha beheszelsz a partiba. Mario bütessem, aki marsba. Zsádárába muropról menjünk kocsikázni. Oda van értünk a városban minden gágyi. Mindjárt ott vagyok a 8-ba. 15 perc múlva legyél már zsádárába muropról, ilyen a stílusunk. Már csak egyedül az esem, amit felkapunk. Gyertek véleim csak roszta, okosba. Figyelj oda, mit beszélsz a telefonba.
Sem. Jössz ma, foci? Dehogy nem tudok hangolni.
Felhívtam a karit, hosszú calling, kezembe bakari, like to party. De bepesek a kerület, amikor bulizom az utcán, babám. A kezemben a hosszú marbi, fuck the money. A mamacita shari, tiszta nari. De nem kérek más, csak úgy még egyszer bújj hozzám. De csak egy éjszakára légy velem, reggelig tartó forró érzelem. Egyedül te vagy olyan szép nekem, aki szívére mindenem odaadnám. Neki szerelem a lételem, tudom a szívében a félelem. De remélem magát megkérhetem, hagyjon még egy éjszakát. Zsebemben a cash, kitesz Veszem a badidér, Amazon a szeme meg a puszi, amit beígér. Ő egy telivér, szeme tengerikék. Bár tudhatnám, miért pangok rá. Annyira szeretem, feszes a teen ho, de si papadio, FVG-o. Párat adnék még többet a szavaknál. De sok a duma, hol van a puma, jaj, de ne düss ez a lány. Tudni benne van a Duna, mindig éreti magát, pedig ott van az ura, bár csak maradnál. De csak egy éjszakára légy velem, reggelig tartó forró érzelem. Egyedül te vagy olyan szép nekem, aki szívére mindenem odaadnám. Neki szerelem a lételem, tudom a szívében a félelem. De remélem magát megkérhetem, hagyjon még egy éjszakát.
Az utcákon telepen lógtunk, esőben fürödtünk. Nem érdekelt semmi, mi senkivel nem töröttünk. Nem számított a putli, hogy mi van körülöttünk. Mi szegényként minden apró dolognak örültünk. Így a jobba, és te félj a fénytől. Vannak álmok, amiket hozunk mi a sötétből. Ezt az életet kaptam, nem én választottam. De Isten a nehéz csatákat az erősnek adta. Gondolkodj vissza, telek egy-két kézzel. Fiatalon csorokért testvérem, te mit nézel? Álmokat a réten, sokszor elmeséltem. De tudom milyen szállítani ruhát kerítésen. Mondtam neked, te ne nézzél, inkább csak álmokat idézzél. Ne felejtsd el azt, hogy mit ígértél. Belőlem te darabokat kitéptél. Köszönöm, mama, neked, hogy megfogtad a kezem. És nem engedted soha se, hogy elmenjen az eszem. Mikor rossz utakból jártam, csak a hangodra vártam. Nem figyeltem oda, és a tetteimet bántam. Mindig hittél bennem, és ez jobb volt. Egyszer segítek a családon, erről is szó volt. Felnevettél minket, nem volt azuk tekintet. Tiszta szívből főztél, most te megcsináltál mindent. Mondtam neked, te ne nézzél, inkább csak álmokat idézzél. Ne felejtsd el azt, hogy mit ígértél. Belőlem te darabokat kitéptél. Vagyis lépnél, hogyha te tudnál. Inkább leléptél, maradtál nullán. Nélkülem elmennél, csak egy darabot szedtél. De már nem kellett, már ne gyere vissza. Nincsen olyan ember, ki a lelkem nyissa. Nem jöhet vissza már, nem hiányzik már. Így a jobban, és te félj a fénytől. Vannak álmok, amiket hozunk mi a sötétből. Ezt az életet kaptam, nem én választottam. De Isten a nehéz csatákat az erősnek adta. Gondolkodj vissza, telek egy-két kézzel. Fiatalon csorokért testvérem, te mit nézel? Álmokat a réten, sokszor elmeséltem. De tudom milyen.
A kanabisz füstje az égbe száll. Mire repeljetek, kösöm, ha ez télen már. Sakozzunk bolondok, én hozom a táblát. De előbb-utóbb úgyis én nyerem ezt a játszmát. Vagy én osztom a kártyát, tessék Royal Flush. Ha kell egyedül roncsolom szét az egészet. Ez már merénylet, mint az ISIS. Cigányosan Grizzit, hivatok rátok info. Lehetsz magyar, Ócéro, Mungro vagy Szintó. A faim vagy is velünk vagy, hát üdvözöllek testvér. Egy laza jointtal indítom meg a kurva estét. Birtokolni akarom a kurva testét.
8 gergettó, cigi füst backroll, 1-10 nettó, lett rossz, lett jó, ruhabolt retro, utoljára a tupokon volt ilyen szerkó. Viszik a pénzem, hova lehet, Jimmy szól mindig a pultba vagy roma rap. Kérdezem Zsoltit, mi legyen, szó de kell, kinézik a szátokból a falatot, ahogy eszel. Viszkik, egyenes felesek, kóterba zárják a bűnöző gyereket. Odalép, leszorít, megver, fenyeget, szeszi az utakon az ellenfeleket. De csak az értelembe hiszek, nincs meg az etikett, az élet veri meg. A rap felhúzatot nézem, debilek, bazd meg, bebasztam félre, beszélek.
Most mit csináljak, tesóm, hogyha ez jön? Csibész cigány vagyok, hát ennyi az én védkem. És ezt tudom, hogy levágni a zenékbe. Sose hazudtolom, meg testvérkém az én vérem. Most mit csináljak, tesóm, hogyha ez jön? Csibész cigány vagyok, hát ennyi az én védkem. És ezt tudom, hogy levágni a zenékbe. Sose hazudtolom, meg testvérkém az én vérem.
Hogyha összeáll a brigád, egyből támadásba lendülve kezdünk. Külön is rajok, faszos, de együtt. Társadalmi fenyegetés, ez már nem legál. Mert kriminális az, amit ez a pár gyerek reál. Az eszed megáll, azt mondod, hogy ez mi a faszom. Az, amit rakunk, azon néha én is kiakadok. Itt nincsen verseny, közöttünk, hogy ki a nagyobb. Neked meg mi a bajod? Nálunk nincs omega, csak halfa, lőfegyver helyett balta. Ez kajak a legalja, ez kajak a legalja. Úgy helyemet se hagyom, nem marad csak egy árnyék. Közénk jönni veszélyes egy játék.
Hasznom a pucsim alá baszva. Szeretem, mikor teli a kassa. Őszinte szóval jobban bejön a telivé. Jön a nő, azt mind a szart megígér. No jó van, fogja a 20-ast, azt kócolják. Ha valami baj van, a brigádtal mosszolják. Érzem, hogy beindult a csapat, 2 napig most nincs megállás. Vodka bőr, stripperek, nincs kiszállás. Tele zseb, hidd el, D8 a házba, mi kell, vidd el. Mindenki esett, emlékszem egy gyenge fosznályra. Buli végén, csipogok a rossz nájra. Hey. Szobra tesó, hogy így adom, meghagyom, a nyomja azt a tesó bajom. Le is szarom, hogy mit nézett balsó barom. Egy csatalom, a tényó csúcsig ezt akarom.
Most mit csináljak, tesóm, hogyha ez jön? Csibész cigány vagyok, hát ennyi az én védkem. És ezt tudom, hogy levágni a zenékbe. Sose hazudtolom, meg testvérkém az én vérem. Most mit csináljak, tesóm, hogyha ez jön? Csibész cigány vagyok, hát ennyi az én védkem. És ezt tudom, hogy levágni a zenékbe. Sose hazudtolom, meg testvérkém az én vérem.
Hallottan szólok, nem látod a képet. Nem tudod ki voltam, most lépek viszont. De sajnálj még semmit, neked szól a nóta. Úgyis erre vártál régóta. Neked írom ezt a dalt, eltűnt az a lány, aki nekem táncolt minden éjjel. Neked írom ezt a dalt, a fények nekünk égtek. Lehetsz bárhol, most te maradsz és én nem. Neked írom ezt a dalt, még mindig érzem az illatod a szélben. Elszállt a remény. Neked írom ezt a dalt, és ha magam sem értem, sokat reméltem, de én most léptem. Sír a gitár és szól a dalunk, de lehetett tudni azt, hogy merre haladunk. Én azt vettem észre, hogy amit nem kapunk meg, az kell, és ami jön, az nem. Ilyen voltál te, és ilyen voltam én. Egyensúlyozunk a boldogság peremén. De ha valakinek lépnie kell, inkább legyek én, hiszen a vágynak égnie kell. Ugye emlékszel? A tintám a neved írja. Keresek olyat, aki mellettem ezt bírja. Hova lettek azok az idők, amik voltak? Bekötött szemű kupidok sírnak a boltba. Gyorsan szedem a lábam, mégis visszafog a testem. Mert ilyen, ha láb van, az emlékek a fejemben. Veled olyan, mint mikor mindig nyár van. De beköszönt az, amit nem vártam. Nem hallott a szólok, nem látod a képet. Nem tudod ki voltam, most lépek viszont. De sajnálj még semmit, neked szól a nóta. Úgyis erre vártál régóta. Neked írom ezt a dalt.
Újra itt a zamatos körte. Hiányoztam? A felfrissülés íze. Ez Summersby.
Mrs. Rodalinda, tudja mindenki pénzkereső van. Ki tudja most és hány szeretőd van. Na gyere, tegyél nagyban, táncoljuk ketten át az éjszakát. Hangulat forró, gyere, még van vár. Rossz a véred, ebbe vállalom. Tiszta vagyok, ez a jasság a nom.
Jaj, de kureló Valós a nézés, szopjan be a szád. Te is ismered, tudom a Varga Zsoltikát. Mit teszed magad? Játszod itt a puját. Bele viszlek édes, tekerd meg a bulát. De meg vagyok, vicces a hangulatom. Gyere megmutatom, a notánkat elhúzatom. Hello, hello, vagyunk végig nyugalom. Mikor megjelenünk, az már kis forradalom. This is Rodalinda, itt hú, de sokkal megyek a tesókkal, az urat le lett lenyozva, pa. Be is ugrott az egyikét, neked csírva ver, figyeld a 8 kerületig. Tekerünk egy jointot, és lazába szívunk, bár könnyű férjük, meg magunkhoz kihívunk. Magunkhoz kihívunk, hogy mit csinálunk este, baba, legyen ami titkunk.
Oh, Mrs. Rodalinda, tudja mindenki pénzkereső van. Ki tudja most és hány szeretőd van. Na gyere, tegyél nagyban, táncoljuk ketten át az éjszakát. Hangulat forró, gyere még babám. Rossz a méretebe vállalom. Tiszta vagyok, ez aljas rágalom.
Tűzpiros mújkesz, rodázós pilla. Mindenki csak úgy ismer, Miss Rodalinda. Nálad a valuta, a svájci frank, az euró. Aki a körmös tája, az lesz a befut. Megint Ferihegyről csekkolsz be utazási. Aztán a legelső klubba mulatási. Egy teltházas öreggel kurelási. A manusodnak haza utalási. Tudom, ez trend lesz a TikTokon. Azért csináljuk, hogy a sok hajkos villogjon. Legyen mit hallgatni a szoliba fekve, vagy befocizva a cukros bácsihoz menve. Amúgy megtisztelem a stricit, nagy BMW-vel járkál, azt nincs nála egy cigi. Egy kólára nem ember, de aranyláncba járkál. Mire teszed magad, te bárcás?
Oh, Mrs. Rodalinda, tudja mindenki pénzkereső van. Ki tudja most és hány szeretőd van. Na gyere, tegyél nagyban, táncoljuk ketten át az éjszakát. Hangulat forró, gyere még babám. Rossz a méretebe vállalom. Tiszta vagyok, ez aljas rágalom. Oh, Mrs. Rodalinda, tudja mindenki pénzkereső van. Ki tudja most és hány szeretőd van. Na gyere, tegyél nagyban, táncoljuk ketten át az éjszakát. Hangulat forró, gyere még babám. Rossz a méretebe vállalom. Tiszta vagyok, ez aljas rágalom. Oh, Mrs. Rodalinda.
Na mit mondtam, hova osztanak? Berili Móra mindenkit tiszi.
Itt iszik mindenki, na kusol el! Hát akkor
Szia bátya!
Mika burra,
Merészetünk este!
gyertek! Szia Mário!
Szia bátyám!
Digedz a gágyi ácsi, mindjárt szétesik. Nem kell vagadni semmit, a lábát egyből széteszik. Már jó nem fékezik, neki pont kedvezik. Egész éjszaka rajta kalóriákat tégetik. Mínusz 10 kiló a mérlegen, így reggeli. Ki van a gágyi, értem, fizetnem sem kell neki. De én ezt nem szeretem, az elveim nem engedik. Hát tudd a hely, a nevem is próbáld elfelejteni. Annyira buták, csodák, gyémántos pujáricák. Annyiszor látták az ezert, mindegyik rájász kinyál. Mindegy az, hogy öreg vagy fiatal,
Order
veri
filled.
alá. Színészkedik, oda képzeli magának a kemát. Sajnálom, de el kell vennem a kedvedet. Ennyire ostoba nem találod meg a herceget. Egyik a szádat, többi másik meg a segedet. Te meg még azt várod, hogy az egyik majd eljegyez. Mindegyik egy eszeveszett palira vett meg gyötört. Pénzkereső hercegnő, tiszteletet mérgező. Nekik már úgyis mindegy. Adjunk nekik, ne sajnáljuk el nekik a lóerő. Az összes ragadozó húsevő. Cirkuszba élő karnyelő. Vigyünk az egészségükre. Júj.
Biztos mocskos a gácsi, mennyi érte a gácsi, a segít tudja elrázni. Mert egy ilyen fullosak látszik, de ha velem hibázik, visszarugdosos vágszik. Gálom bro, nem eddig egy óra ebben a poszban, vége csak holnap lesz. Ha párác a gondban segít a kóla, nyugiben készültem. Yes, na igen, ez szex. Én így szoktam, előre szóltam, hogy yes lesz. Tettem, amit tettem, vele tettem sok rét. Bevertem az estet, csak zenget ez a kész. Ház, úgy ki a pár, gálopon ki csinál. Ez nálam tudomány, akár egy szamuráj. Csináljuk bátran,
Order filled.
hátulról vágja Mário, előről szájba, gálopon premier plánba. Vigyatok együtt a falkába, blak, ne szórakozz a bandával.
Mindegyik egy eszeveszett palira vett meg gyötört. Pénzkereső hercegnő, tiszteletet mérgező. Nekik már úgyis mindegy. Adjunk nekik, ne sajnáljuk el nekik a lóerő. Az összes ragadozó húsevő. Cirkuszba élő karnyelő. Ígyunk az egészségükre. Hány buliba úgy megkattantam, a lányok felé megszúttattam. Elég, hogy híres voltam, spicces módban, bárki megkaptam. Békabolon vesztett unión, mennyire használt vagy te látszik már a lunidon. Na de bánja károm, még nem bátnom mind. Sivakodtak már a Rudimon. Ezt a Rudit vágod, mennyi gácsi mikrofonnak nézte, és még nyilatkoztak is bele szép szavakkal becézve, hogy mi szép és mi jóképű. Nincs jön, nem kell fésű, úgy áll, mint a katonák útjában bárkészül. Olyan a bulát, mint a feleketlen tó, vagy ötször visszhangzik, ha belekiabálom azt, hogy oh. Mert szereted a méteres, kékeres, na kezd jön a Vibri Show.
Tracement. It doesn't matter if you're looking for lungs or if you're looking for shorts. We need a retracement. Why didn't I enter a lung there? There's what? There's nowhere to enter into a lung here. The lower time frame, the 1 minute Madden. 1 minute is definitely what I trade the most. Yeah, we've tapped into the 1 hour unmitigated 5 value gap, and we're getting in a little move up here, which is interesting. 937 was a long? Absolutely not. First of all, it didn't even end vast. Second of all, it's 5 value gap on ES. Third of all, there is just hardly any context. No trade there. What's my plan? Be patient and wait for the price action to give me a setup. That is the plan. Patience. You need to go into every single day trading, not expecting to take a trade, especially when we have no red folder news on a Monday. Why is your trading view 10 minutes late? You need to get live data. So at the top of your screen, see how I have a green circle there? You'll have half of a green circle, then you'll have half of a D. And then you need to click the D. And then click live mode. Keep us updated, Finn. Keep us updated. No SMT yet. Yeah, just gotta be patient. Patience will pay today. Patience will pay, especially when we have got this volume in the market by the looks of it. Like, we have got this nice volume, so long? No, why would we long here? London opened crazy today? Yeah, we had a massive candle earlier, didn't we? We had a crazy candle earlier.
Gyere velem, én veled akarom, de ha nem jössz, akkor is folytatom. Ez nem a pénz, ez nem csak erről szól, hanem azokról, a spanokról, akik mellettem voltak, amikor
Trump, I got Trump to say tariff 5+ times. Triple equal here on ES, nothing interesting though, they're very close together. And of course, no trade right now.
Order filled.
You trade? No, did you? Nothing, iPhone, Van Pom. Yeah, we got 50% of the new week opening gap. Could always be a nice draw on liquidity. From the candle open to the candle close. Oh my god, it's massive. We're nowhere near 50% of it actually. No worries, no worries. Remember chat, Apex still have 80% off, right? The Apex still have 80% off? I haven't actually looked at it for a minute. How long did Apex still at 80% off for? Is it over? It might be over actually. 8 more days. Damn. So Apex still have 80% off, chat, for 8 more days. So if you want to get your accounts, use code Louis for 80% off. Just gotta be patient here. Wait for the consolidation to finish. No, it's 80% off for every single month. For every month that you buy it. Well, yeah, for every month. 1 minute, that's okay. Nothing yet. You just want more context. Ideally, we come up. If we come up, then we can look for potential short positions. You could get retracement and get potential long positions. Move your stop loss to break even at internal liquidity. We just need, yeah, we need a retracement, in my opinion. That would be best case scenario. Potentially, Amit. Potentially. So you're looking for sales? I'm open for buys and I'm open for sales today. I don't necessarily have the strongest bias. Nothing's as clean as it was on Friday. For example, on Friday I had a quite strong bullish bias. Today I don't have as strong of a bias. If I had to choose, I would be a bit more bullish because of the high time frames, the daily and the 4 hour. But yeah, just gotta be patient. Wait for the market to tell you what it wants to do, chat. No point trying to predict the market. Pullback and context. Yeah, best case we get pullback. I'll just draw what price action could do. Price action is going to come up here, and then there's 2 things that could happen once we get to this point in the market. We could come down and then look for a potential link sell like this, or we could have a bearish fair value gap along here, invest that, and then come down to that. They're the 2 highest quality plays that could play out, in my opinion. Oh, Trump is here, chat. So be careful trading for the next few minutes, in my opinion. Somebody link it in the chat, please.
Egy app csak a zenének, megszakítások nélkül. Próbáld ki egy hónapig díjmentesen.
The YouTube stream. Alright. Oh my god, has he got more orange? Why is he gold? Alright guys, I don't know why I'm listening to this, but yeah, just try not to trade right now. If you're in any trades, well, you shouldn't be any trades anyway. I think this is why we're getting a bit of slower price action to start off the Monday. Hopefully when Donald Trump stops talking, we'll get some nicer price action, so just be careful. He could say 1 word and then the market will go boom or boom. Just gotta wait. Oh, is my thingy not on? Yeah, 1 minute equals there on Nasdaq. Yes, exactly, Ravi. 50k costs $33 instead of 167 for every single month as well. It's not just for the first month. No, Lagos. I don't think so. I don't think he's gonna say anything crazy. Yeah, for every month. If you use code Trump talking. Why we're not interested in the M-Boss? Right now, Donald Trump is talking, so it's just the best idea to just wait. And yeah, why risk it, chat? Why enter into a trade and then Donald Trump says something and then you blow your accounts? Do you know what I mean? You just have to. I think everybody's doing that. Look at these candles here, just being very slow right now. Apex. There should be some on YouTube, madam. Yeah, chat, if you get any private messages from me or any friend requests, it is not me talking to you in private messages, and it is not me adding you. Sadly, this Discord just has loads of scammers. You almost fell for it. Don't fall for them. Yeah, Elon, that was actually me, so can you send them over? And what time range do you trade? So 9:30 till 11 AM is when I'll take most of my trades. It's why out of options, and it's what time is it in Dubai right now? 5:50. Does anybody know how long Trump will be talking for? Again, I'm not interested in lengths right here. It is only 1 minute. You would want to see this. You want to see this inverse takes up to this high here. It's not a trade that I'm interested in taking, of course, while Donald Trump is talking, but it would be nice to just see us take that high. I mean, we've already taken it on the ES, so we do have a bearish bearish SMT. I want to tell the free members, lots of people saying, who said that, Levente? But I appreciate the kind words there. And yeah, well done, Levente. Now you get the payouts. What do I do in the mornings? You gotta watch my YouTube vlogs and find out. Yeah, we've got a bearish SMT here. We've not swept that high, but we have swept this high. So yeah, we do have a bearish SMT. That's what I'm thinking, mums. Did I go away for the weekend? Yeah, went away for the weekend. I wasn't sure about the internet, you know. I wasn't sure about the internet to do the streams. Yeah, you'll see it in the next vlog, JM. Should be uploading my next YouTube vlog tomorrow. See ya. What are we gonna do about it? Is Donald Trump still talking, chat? Because these shorts don't look awful if it's only a 1. It is as well. Ah, see what's he doing to us? We've got a bearish SMT. We've got equal lows on Nasdaq. Okay, now we've tapped this. Is that a fair value? Yes. Okay. Chat. This catches a lot of people out. You got to listen to this. Okay. Although you of course would never ever take a trade from a fair value gap with this size, right? You would never take a fair value gap this size, but this is technically a fair value gap in the market. So price can respect this and end up coming back up. So be careful if you're entering just shorts here. Not that you would be because Trump is talking, but if you're entering shorts here, be careful because we haven't actually inversed this tiny fair value gap. And of course you wouldn't enter off this fair value gap because it is so small, but you need to treat it like a regular fair value gap. A lot of people get tricked out by that, and as you can see, price action is currently respecting that tiny fair value gap. Yeah, Jay, I'm getting used to it, you know. It's hard. I'm not a vlogger. No, but I don't know what I'm doing. Like, it's just random. I just pick up the camera and then I just record. Like, it doesn't actually make a lot of sense, if you get what I mean. It's not structured, it's just randomly what I'm doing in my day. Yeah, we have a bigger bullish fair value gap here. We do have a big bullish fair value gap. Equal lows, yeah, the equal lows are right there on Nasdaq. Yeah, we do have to be careful for Trump speaking.
Futtatok bent a városba, egy néger zene szól királytosba. Dől ki a füst már a verdából.
See chat, what am I telling you about this tiny 5i gap? Look at how this is being respected, okay? Most people just ignore this, but it's not random that we're getting these wicks like this. It's because we're respecting that tiny 5i gap.
A YouTube Premium a
Yes,
reklámmentes
doesn't have
YouTube
it.
ráadásul exkluzív hozzáféréssel. Próbáld ki.
See what I said earlier though, chat? What did I say earlier? We want to get a pullback, and then we want to get this, and then look what's happening. Now that we've got this pull... Oh no, my headset's dying. Don't die on me. Yeah, now that we're getting this pullback, we can potentially look for more. There's just more opportunities that happen in the market. The speech is over. What, has Donald Trump stopped talking? No. Alright, we're technically in bar set time. So why you got, so I'm gonna remove it. He's still waffling? Yeah, I'll message him on WhatsApp after telling him to hurry up next time. I don't think I need to do that, broski. How do you have NQ next to your name? How do I do that? If you see a nice setup, am I going to enter? Probably not right now with Donald Trump talking. It just doesn't make sense to trade when Donald Trump's talking, because one little word from him and the whole market will explode. You know what I mean? So yeah, there's no real point. Just gotta be patient.
Order filled.
Your own guild tag for the server. What the heck? How do I do a guild tag? Oh my god, I can do a server tag. Enable tag. Configure. Oh my god, what do I make a server tag, chat? I've got it. Wait, you guys type in the chat? Wait, I've put the server tag on. How do I apply it to you guys? What's up, Mams? Oh yeah. Currently respecting this bullish value gap. Would I enter a short if we unbars this? No. Again, we just got Donald Trump talking. We do have equal lows below. So if we do unburst this, I think we should come down to this low, and it would make the most sense to come to this low in the market. Would I take a trade? No, just because Donald Trump is talking. Respecting that value gap literally perfectly there. Donald Trump wasn't talking, would I take it? Oh, interesting question from you. Interesting question. If Donald Trump wasn't talking, would I take this trade? We have a bearish D with inverses fair value gap. I don't think so. Oh, that's a hard question. No, I don't think so.
Order filled.
Depends on the candle close ultimately. It depends on the candle close. If we just got a candle close like this and it didn't look very good, then no. If we got a very strong candle and it closed like here, then yeah, probably, and then just I'd move my stop loss to break even there and then hold for lower. But I don't, when the fair value gap's at the bottom like this and I don't have a stupidly strong bearish bias, which I don't, then I do find that a lot of the times I'll stay out of these trades. I do prefer the long. This long looks a lot more interesting than the shorts in my opinion.
Order filled.
Magányos este lehet kedved szerda. Hívott a testvérem, várnak a spanok. Akárhova megyek, a formámat hozom. Nem is mondtam a lényeg.
What do you guys think, chat? Are you guys interested in the shorts or interested in the longs? They're both decent plays, but again, we've sadly just got the Donald Trump talking.
Akarlak téged, baby. Ketten összebújva az lenne édi. Francia ágyban, vagy a várban.
Yeah.
Miatt minden gácsilásban. S tudom, hogy mindenki vágjon, hogy a brigádomnak nincsen párja.
Speech is over? Is the speech over, chat? No? Okay. Damn, what is he actually talking about? How is Trump on Forex Factory? I don't even know. I don't even know. Do you think Trump uses Apex? Yeah. Trump uses his code Louis in the Apex shop for lad. What I think the 952 gap? No, I didn't like it because we had a tiny 1 minute for the fair value gap below that we were respecting. No, he's not really, believe it or not, BK. But my take profit be for longs? Good question. I mean, ultimately, up here would be quite nice. If it inverses fair value gap, of course, your stop loss to break even would be there. Depending on where you got the entry, that could be your first take profit point or even there. And then, yeah, you just kind of want this high or that high. Go for the glory. I moved to Dubai for good. No, I'm back in England in a few weeks. I'm heading back to England in a few weeks' time. The loans are calling your name. I do really like these loans. But yeah, we've got the Donald Trump talking, don't we? Do I like these loans? I do like these loans, yes. But I also do like my bank account. And I do like it when Donald Trump is not talking. Why am I moving back to the UK? I'm not moving back to the UK, I'm just going back to the UK for a bit. It gets way too hot in Dubai. Yeah, Mad Dog has one of the best PFPs in the Discord. He's talking on YouTube right now. Is Dubai expensive? No, not really. I mean, it can be, but it's pretty recorded. What's the temperature in Dubai? I think it's like high 30s. When we see Trump on a Louis live stream, Trump did ask me to do a trading live stream the other day, but I told him that he's not a good enough trader to get on the streams yet. So yeah, maybe if he keeps watching the course. Yes, GE.
igazi sztorik, csak nyomom a sorokat, amikor a szívem szorít. Elmúlik minden van.
Trump is Izzy, that's why Izzy is not here right now. Wait a minute, now that you say that, you might actually be onto something there. Are you 21 years old? I am 20 years old. It is my birthday soon though, chat, so what you all gonna get me? What you all gonna get me for my birthday? An Apex with my code? An Apex can? And hair transplant? Oh, that is actually a good present. Funded. Lurvers is good, zero. Oh. You're on about the charts. I thought that's what you were on about for my present. Yeah, we got a bit of low, but again, it doesn't really mean much because if we do have low resistance liquidity here, we're not going to catch a trade to that. There's just no trades to be taken. Yeah, probably. Low. I do really like this one.
Order filled. Order filled.
Don't worry. Let's say that it's 5 minutes. No, because we had the internal liquidity here, right? Yeah, we have internal liquidity.
Order filled.
Yeah, if you're trading M&Q, you want to do all your analysis on NQM. Always do your analysis on NQM. Was it easy to link with a trading guy? I don't really talk to other traders. I talk to Dovey. That's about it. I don't really talk to any traders in Dubai.
Order filled.
Louis, the price of respect on the last 5 hours for the leg. Oh my god, yes. We could be getting an LFVG set up here, chat. We are respecting the LFVG right now. That is true, that is true. Respecting the LFVG literally perfectly on Nasdaq.
Order filled.
Is Donald Trump still talking, chat? Can we get some confirmation? Oh my god. It's 10 past 10 already. What? Why? Why do it now? Like, why not do it after the New York Open? Why do it when the New York opens? Call him right now. I can't call him right now, he'll get angry at me. I'll have to call him late after the stream. He's almost done? Okay, nice.
Order filled.
I'm actually even in Dubai. Oh, your message went off the screen. He was almost done 20 minutes ago. It should always be done now, don't worry. Might see this up in 20 seconds. Yeah, I do really like these lungs, chat. I do really like these lungs. My hard time frame is a bit more bullish. We're respecting this last value gap of the leg. This last bullish value gap of the leg. We have a very nice point right here in the market to move the stop loss to break even at. And remember, we tapped into that 1 hour unmitigated value gap as well. Right here, as you can see, we swept this low and tapped into this 1 hour unmitigated bullish value gap. So yeah, overall, if we did get a bullish candle close here and Trump was not talking in the market, I would enter into long positions targeting this high. with Trump talking, will I enter into the market? 100%. I'm gonna full port it. Okay, that was a joke. No, I'm not. I'm gonna wait. I'm gonna wait. But it is annoying because I do think this will work. Ah, it's painful. Okay, I'm just not gonna trade when Trump's talking. It is not worth the risk. But I do like this one. Oh, Trump, what are you doing to me? I do like these loans, chat. I do indeed. You're gonna seek the trade, you don't care. Trading is patched. It's just nil on Trump, isn't it? Why decide to talk when we want to catch one in trades on the free live stream as well? How rude! How rude for him to talk on the free live stream. He could have at least done it on like a Saturday when the markets aren't open. Yeah, if Donald Trump was not talking, chat, I would be in long positions here. My stop loss would be break even at this high, and then I mean, you could take profits there at this unmitigated fair value gap, and then I would hold for all the way there, really. So yeah, that's what I would do. But hey ho, what can you do when Donald Trump talks? This is actually kind of painful to watch because I do actually really like this setup. But as long as you're learning, chat, as long as you are learning. He would enter into this trade if we did not have Donald Trump talking, chat. Yeah. Does it look nice, doesn't it? Does look nice. You're in the line. I mean, yeah, fair enough. It's not worth the risk in my opinion. Just because you could get that massive, horrible candle, couldn't you? He could literally say one thing and then you get a massive, horrible candle. Yeah, true.
Order filled.
One thing that you do, we got equal highs on ES. We should come up with these equal highs. Again, we've got Donald Trump talking. Yeah, no. It is upsetting to see this trade probably gonna work without us in it, but I mean, I hope it does work. I hope it does work because give us some confidence for the rest of the week. We did take that high there on ES, so if I was entering into this trade, there's two things that you could do now. Because we've got this high on ES, there's always a chance now that Nasdaq doesn't want to take the high and we come down. That's always a chance. So depending on your conviction, you could either move your stop loss to break even here, or you could just hold for that high. If you have the conviction, because in my opinion we should still take out this high there, a very obvious high. Move stop loss to break even there, and yeah, take profits would just be above. Oh, that's not how fair value gaps work, Nabri. A fair value gap can be tapped into 1,000 times. It doesn't make it any less valid or any more valid.
Order filled.
I'm in. No, I'm not in a trade because Donald Trump is talking. LFVG, it is literally the best confluence ever. It is the best confluence ever. The Louis Favre you got. It's literally in play now. Remember, the last Favre you got off the leg. We're respecting it perfectly. What happens? We respect it. We get the loan set up. And then this is going to work perfectly. But yeah. The news. Donald Trump had to ruin it. You would have took this? Yeah, 100% I would have taken this if Donald Trump wasn't talking. And the 620 of you here, I'm sure some of you took this play in the chat because some of you are impatient. I know for a fact some of you guys took this trade in the chat. What's up, Trader Gal? How are you doing? Guys, be honest with me. Who in the chat took this trade, even though Donald Trump is talking? Be honest with me here. Why is there so many people? Oh dear. On the eval, if you took on an eval, fair enough. If you took it on the eval. But after you look, yo, guys. I mean, fair enough. Each to their own. If you're willing to risk it, just be careful. Be careful for the big fat candle. What's good, Dylan? How you doing? Break even? Yeah, break even. Yeah, definitely. A nice break even play there. Again, I didn't take it because obviously Donald Trump, but I mean, there's two ways that you can play this. Like I said, there's some people that would move their stop loss to break even here because we swept the high on ES. If you have the conviction, then you don't have to move your stop loss to break even here. But it is always safer. It is always safer to do that. It just depends on your conviction. Is Donald Trump still talking? There's no way, right? Yeah. Oh my god. Come on, Trumpy. Do you guys understand why this is a nice trade, though? Even if, well, do you guys know why this is a nice trade if Donald Trump wasn't talking? Because that's the most important part. As long as you can see the setup on another day, you know it's a decent trade to take, then that's the most important part. What time did he set up his car? I trade from 9:30 a.m. to 11 a.m. New York time. And chat, Tuesday to Friday, we trade a challenge account together on the stream. So I do show the executions on the challenge account Tuesday to Friday for the paid live streams. So make sure everybody joins there the rest of the week. Want me to go over there and turn off the Trump's live? Yeah, as long as you're managing your risk, trader guard. Are we? Yeah, nearly 80 MP, nearly 50k. 3-minute in Boston. Oh, for shorts. See, me personally here, the 3-minute has embossed there. For me personally, I would not really be interested in the shorts here. Especially while this big fat value gap is still in play. I would personally not like to enter the shorts if obviously Donald Trump wasn't talking. But no, these don't look like awful shorts. If you are interested in the shorts, we've embossed 3-minute there. We've not embossed 2 minutes, so of course you'd want that to emboss. Oh no, it's actually embossing now, isn't it? If we get a strong handle close like around into this zone, I think that we will want to come for these lows. If we don't close in this box, then I don't think we'll come for these lows. Yeah, we got a nice close. So we disrespected this big fair value gap as well. So I mean, definitely could come down there. I personally would not be interested in these shorts like I was interested in the loans. Yeah, no, definitely could have been better. Looks like we got some low resistance liquidity yet, to be honest. Bearish SMT. Yeah, we do have bearish SMT. I don't know, I still just wouldn't have that. I just don't like these shorts as much as I like the loans. Would I put a stop loss? Well, I wouldn't put a stop loss because I wouldn't be in the trade, but if I had to, then it depends. Well, yeah, it depends where you entered off. If you entered the 2 minute, then above the 2 minute. If you entered the 3 minute, then above the 3 minute. If you entered the 1 minute, then above the 1 minute. It was a break-even GR kicks because we set the high there on ES. Few minute long. A bit small. Again, Donald Trump's talking, chat. So I know I keep saying it, but if anybody new joins the stream, I do think I prefer longs rather than shorts here. Donald Trump's done. Okay. Is Donald Trump done talking, chat? Well, if he's done talking, then I think no, yes. JFK. Who the hell is JFK? I swear he was dead. I swear that guy's dead, no? My American history isn't the best, but it could be waffling right there. Oh, a different JFK. It's not over? Okay. Let's be patient then, Jack. JFK is still talking. It's RFK. Oh, my bad. RFK is talking. 4 hour gap is also a draw. Yeah, potentially. We got the 1 hour. We got these 1 minute equal lows as well. Could be a very nice draw on liquidity here. Respecting that 2 minute bearish fab, you got very nice there. 2 sets of equal lows on ES. Very nice draw. Patience, chat. Patience. Isn't this unprofitable trader price action? Yeah, mainly because Donald Trump is talking. Because Donald Trump is talking, we are in a bit of a range, but I wouldn't say the price action is actually very bad here. I'd just say more of the fact that Donald Trump is talking, and realistically, when he's talking, you don't necessarily know what's happening 100%. So you do have to be a bit more patient there. It's just the way that the world works sometimes. Is Donald Trump talking? Yeah, funny you asked that. Donald Trump is actually talking right now, yeah. Shorts are working nicely right here. Came out to those lows. So if you were interested in shorts, this is where you'd be to break even because we set up these lows here. And then of course your target here, in my opinion, would just be these equal lows. It's a nice displacement. Looks like we'll take these equal lows at least on ES. You break evens today? Yeah, you gotta be careful with Trump's talking, believe it or not. How many times have I said that? What are you using to mark out that? It's a indicator for the equal highs and equal lows. 17 in counting. Are you guys still gonna watch these live streams when you become profitable? Or are you gonna abandon the streams? No? Oh, thanks, Adam. Yeah, we invest an FVG here. That probably comes to the equal lows. Of course, not a trade I'm interested in personally there.
Order filled.
Is there a discount for the live streams? Absolutely not. There is no discount for the live streams. Interesting. These shorts did work very nicely. 2 minute, 3 minute. Interesting there. Yeah, no, the price for the live streams and the trading course will definitely be increasing soon. Just because I feel like the community is at a very good spot right now, and I don't want too many people joining the paid stream. So I think once I reach a certain amount of members, then I'll up the price for the live streams. But of course, if you earn it now, then you'll stick to paying the price that you got in it at. No trades. I'm not personally trading right now because Donald Trump's talking, Adam. If Donald Trump wasn't talking, I would have definitely entered the long positions. Who's talking? Somebody asked me then. So that wasn't my fault. Somebody did ask me then. I'm not sure exactly, Cruz, but if you bought it then you still have it. Yeah, I mean, if you're trading an eval today, of course it's an eval. The shorts weren't bad. Like the shorts aren't bad to take. We have a bearish SMT. We have the inverse all the 5 value gaps. The shorts aren't bad to take. I personally just preferred longs. That's just my personal opinion. But no, if you entered into the shorts or if you weren't interested in the shorts, that definitely wasn't bad at all. We had equal lows below, and yeah, very decent play. As you can see with this 2 minute play, what actually happened was we ended up investing the bullish fair value gap, and then we came up, respected this 2 minute bearish fair value gap, then we came down from the 2 minute bullish fair value, bearish fair value gap. Quite interesting. Yes, Adam. No, I'm not. I'm talking about the 10 ones. There's an unmitigated 4 hour. Yeah, all the way down there. Quite far away. Who's trading the PM session today, chat? I'll be trading the PM session today. I know all of you wanted to know that. I'll definitely be trading the PM today, I think. For a bit. Louis, I don't want to flex or something, but I am so thankful to you. I learned how to trade through you and your strategy, and I'm now currently making 30 to 40k a month, and I'm very thankful, man. Thank you for real. Maybe one day we can go and eat something on me. Let's go, Yasin, brother. Keep it up. Lovely to hear that. You've been in the Discord for some time as well. You've been in the Discord for some time. Karma? What do you mean, Adam? He's talking on YouTube. Let's go, Yasin. Oh, I'm not actually sure how much that was, Adam. I forgot, to be honest. It wasn't cheap though. Only need 300 to pass your 50k. Let's go EMD. Keep it up. There is literally chat. If you trade this strategy correctly, genuinely, there is no way that you don't make money in the long run. If you trade the strategy correctly, if you stay disciplined, and if you have good risk management, there is no way that you don't make money. It's harder to not make money. You need to have a decent understanding of the strategy, and once you get to that point where you're catching the good trades consistently, they don't even have to be the best trades in the world that you're catching, just the decent trades. Then it's harder to lose money, because let's be honest, if you're trading the strategy correctly, you're never going to lose, hey, let's say four trades in a row. You're never going to lose 4 trades in a row. So if you're managing your risk correctly, you just like, how would you lose money? It doesn't make sense. Yes, Joe. Anyone lung? These lungs aren't actually awful. If you do enter into lungs here, obviously you know who's talking, but no, I actually don't mind plays like this. I will sometimes take plays like this just with lightly. Your stop loss is right here. The reason being, this is only a 1 minute fair value gap. So obviously you'd look at this play and think, why would he ever think about entering here? But I would enter lightly. My stop loss to break even would be at this candle here, because that's the start of the unmitigated fair value gaps, which a lot of the time will get tapped into. And then, yeah, a lot of these times this play isn't a high win rate play, but then the risk to reward that you'll sometimes catch on this type of play is insane. Yeah. Louis, I've been in the live stream for literally 1 week and I'm already up 8% on my account. Let's go, BK. Keep it up, brother. Keep it up. Is there in front of you. If you turn up to these live streams every single day, if you've got the trading course or you watch the trading course content, you'll literally smash it. Just don't go into trading and don't go into learning trying to make as much money as you can. Focus on learning the strategy first, and then you'll make an infinite amount of money in the future. Trump is back. Oh my god, who invited that guy back on? Not daily raw. It depends. So I've been trading the PM sessions basically every day because I'm recording the YouTube videos right now. No, you don't pay per stream. Hashtag get access. How's PM treating me? How is PM treating me? Well, I think I traded. I know I took a nice, was it a winning trade? Like a half partial and then break even trade last week in the PM. It wasn't anything crazy, but it depends, Rick. It really depends. Yeah, I'll be in the PM session tonight. I should be. I'm definitely going to trade the PM session later. I'll be hanging around in the chats, in the premium chats. The PM session is 2 PM till 4 PM New York time. The 2 best times of the day you want to trade is the AM session or the PM session. Try to avoid trading London and Asia sessions if you can. What was it equal highs about?
Order filled.
And lunchtime session actually. I don't know if I should be giving that much source out in the free sessions. Save that for tomorrow's session. Can't be giving away all my secrets. What time is it in New York right now? 10:37. 10:37. It's just the way that the world works, Adam. Just the way that the world works. Who is in these lungs? No, well, no lungs to be. Really just getting a bit of consolidation. Is Trump still talking? I believe so, right, chat? I believe Trump is talking. But anyway, even if Trump is talking or isn't talking, we've still had a decent session here so far. We've still got 20 minutes left, but so far we've still had a decent session in terms of learning. If you guys can understand why these loans are so nice, in my opinion, and even the shorts, I know some people are interested in the short positions. It's not about catching the winning trades every single day. As long as you're learning, we're gonna get trades in the next few days. It doesn't matter if we trade today or not. Obviously, hopefully he stops. Hopefully he does shut up and we catch some winning trades. But no, I don't, Adam. I don't know it yet. Am I looking for loans? I'm not opposed to taking loans yet. I'm looking for loans or shorts. Well, I'm not. Well, we've got Mr. Trump talking, believe it or not. But he's done. What is Trump stopped talking is answering questions now? Okay. Well, this could be the dangerous part, to be honest, if depending on what questions people ask.
Order filled.
Someone asked if we... Of course, Elon. What short is he? Today he took a short. You'll break even on the long. What is that? Nice wish toward there, Barnaby. Nice one, bro. Alright, Trump stopped talking apparently, and we get to some volume. We still got 20 minutes. Give us one trade. I'm itching for a trade. No, I'm joking. Never try and enter into a trade, chat. Only enter into a trade if you see that the trade is enterable. He's still talking. This guy. Wait there. Let me go quickly have a word with him.
Let me know. I'm interested. That's all I got for news for now, guys.
Thank you. And I got out of that trade.
Out, right?
Yep, I got out of that trade. This market.
Remember where about?
It was not breaking down. So net P&L today so far 2,034.
Remember about where you got out of that?
I believe it was 730.
Thank you. Push higher here in the ES 1524. This is overnight view app as well.
Just stop talking now.
Nasdaq doing the same. 20,000.
Just had a little word with him.
775 is the overnight view app price there. Jay, you still looking for those 40s? If we go up to 58.40.
I would like to see London low hit as that.
Is that still a price of interest? I should ask.
Yeah, it is. But I think if we get back up to 40s, we kind of just run it and make new highs on the day. So I'm looking for.
Okay, damn, we're pumping up here. Let's see. 1 minute, 2 minute, 3 minute, 4 minute.
Maybe getting back in long with risk.
Okay, we're kind of in the same predicament that we were in earlier, chat. We're kind of in the same predicament we were in earlier when like when we came down here. Because now that we came down, what What would be the best case scenario here, chat?
Danielle, if you're listening,
Because we've got all these fair value
I'm
gaps
gonna
here.
use your card and see if I can get a
What
bottle
would be the
trophy
best?
sent to me.
Yeah, exactly. Ideally, we come down and then potentially maybe shorts, maybe longs.
64 cents.
But yeah, ideally, we need a pullback to look
in
into
there.
positions.
Saying something is just technical right now, but it looks like we are catching a bid.
Looks like this triple pack scrumpy
Horse
is
fender, of course.
Sanford, England.
You got Hogue to say it, Jack. Good job.
Red Sanford, England. Say that one slow.
Only 10%.
Sanford, England.
Am I on mute? No, I'm not on mute. Oh, look at all this volume suddenly. Okay, is Donald Trump completely stopped talking now, or is he still answering questions?
If you're gonna order it, get two.
God, he's literally been talking for over an hour. It's like he's the president or something.
Taking questions. Yes, we know. We are listening to it in the background. If we do start touching on tariffs and any trade deals, we will bring that back in. As he was talking about was the new plane, plane that was gifted to him. So not exactly movie market relevant, but we're keeping an eye on it.
Thoughts on the 3 minute? No, I'm not interested in links off the fair value up to the left because there are multiple time frames.
Yes. 58.
Like I said, if you want lungs here, you want a retracement and then you want lungs. Yes.
58.25. Why long, Jay? What do you see? Obviously,
we're kind of just ranging right now, kind of back and forth. Like I said, we tagged into an area that I was looking to buy when we came into this. So this is just looking for a continuation of that move. Could I have had better trade location? 100%, but I still think there's some room to the upside in this, at least back up to 40s. So it was worth the risk. I'm looking for about a 1-to-1 for what I'm risking right now. And then above 40s, I think we go push, like I said, higher days.
Is investing 2K into enough to start? Don't invest any money to start with. Trade with a prop farm to start with because you're most likely going to lose money when you first start trading. So get a prop farm. Right now, prop farms are what, like $30. Use your prop farm, trade at 50K. See what happens, trade it properly, invest into your learning, and then go for a live account after you know that you're consistently making money.
Yep. Breaking through it now.
Nothing else on the schedule today.
Grouping 63. Go ahead. Okay, no, I'm just
Well, there's two potential trades today. You had lungs or you had shorts. I personally had this lung.
Bid is waiting.
We see 850s again, Jay, in NASDAQ.
Yeah, I think so. Let's see what happens at this 800. Not a lot on the books right now. At 800.
Am I lagging? Can you guys hear me?
Opening range low for the 3 minutes at 808.
Am I back?
We go higher than that.
Yep.
Order filled.
We're making $62.47.
We've got a big news event tomorrow, right?
Go ahead, Jay.
I just answered that question, Adam.
Oh, my bad. Coach Jay Long.
CPI?
MES 58.26. What's up, Hogue? Sorry about that.
No, that's fine. I was just saying that with the failed downside auction, the probability is the other extreme of the initial balance in the S&Ps. That takes us up to 58, 52.
All right. Give us a nice news high, news low. Do I trade after the CPI? Yeah, always. You didn't add it, JR. What are you playing at? No, because you never know, Adam. That Donald Trump could say anything, and then the price action could go crazy. So better to be careful, in my opinion. There's an LFVG to the left. No, there's no LFVGs right here. No FVGs right here. Well, I mean, technically there is a massive one there, but no, there's no FVGs right here. I like equal highs. Price left. 1 EF. You mean? 1024. I mean, we're not tapped in. Oh. No, there's no other FVGs above here. Has anybody entered into any trades today in the chat? How many trades everybody entered today? How many trades would you have entered so far if Donald Trump wasn't talking? How about that? No, that's the important question, chat. Would you have entered into the longs or would you have entered into the shorts? That's what you should be noting down, because that's the important stuff. It's obviously easy to say on a day like this, oh, Donald Trump's talking, we'll just ignore today, but no. You still have to use it as back test, as forward testing. Make sure you're always making notes. See if you would catch the right trades or the wrong trades. On YouTube, Cab FX. You would have took 2 wins, but 1 L so far. So how does that work, Izzy? On your funded account, Izzy? So I think there'll be an Apex account in June. There should be one in June. You tell him, David. Diego, I'm gonna pretend that you're not spamming like that in the chat, because it would be a shame if I had to ban you. Yes, that's a whole weird. Get some inside information. The only information I have is if you use code Louis when you get in a checkout for Apex, then it increases your chances of getting payouts. I heard that on the streets. You bought the $50 access still. Make sure you connected your right Discord to the what top floor boss. Make sure you're using the right email. But you should have it. Well, you will have it if you pay for it. You just have to connect your right email. He's actually done. Trump's leaving. Okay, we've got 10 minutes, chat. We've got 10 minutes. It is possible to catch a trade. What we need to catch a trade is a pullback, a bearish fair value gap, inverse, internal liquidity, break even, highs as the profit. Can this happen in the next 10 minutes? Let's find out. That is the best situation that we're going to catch a trade here. Shorts, I don't think we'll get shorts in 10 minutes. I think the only way that we get a trade in the next 10 minutes is if we create a bearish fair value gap like that, inverse it, and then obviously go for the highs. Okay, he's still talking. Alright, so who said that in the chat? You're getting banned. Oh, he swapped chairs. Okay. He sat down and he started talking again. Why does he actually look so orange? That can't be real. Why does he look gold? He doesn't even look orange, he looks gold. See you tomorrow, mems. Paris SMT. We got equal heights. Remember, SMTs are only valid if we get this out. Donald Trump doesn't get paid enough to talk this much. Oh, that's fine, easy. Do you have to calculate your own tax from your profits? Well, you get an accountant that does it for you. %. Trump has his you had a one earlier. Trump has his plan out. He's talking about golf now. Does anybody in the chat play golf? I might start playing golf. I think. I'm not rich enough for golf yet. Which one is more magnetic? Equal highs, equal lows, in my opinion. Yes, Trader Gal. As long as you're managing your risk correctly. Like it's consistent. Yeah, there's loads. Explorer. He's left. Oh, nice. He's left at 10:54 when we have 4 minutes left of the session. Thanks for that, Donald Trump, mate. I appreciate that. He's done that on purpose. He's gonna join the stream now and start laughing to himself, isn't he? He done it the other day. He's gonna join the stream and start laughing because we can't take any trades now because there's only 5 minutes left. Donald Trump, I know you're watching this stream right now. You just walked off that big YouTube stream. I know you're watching this stream and it wasn't funny, alright? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, no. I'm not interested in lungs from these here. The only way that I like lungs is if we get that retracement, which, well, yeah, I don't think it's going to happen in 55 minutes. Not sure. He's only yeah. He's only ended the stream to catch the last 5 minutes of the Louis stream. We have got a bullish value gap here. We have got a bearish SMT. Oh, equal highs on the yes. LFVG. Oh, we are respecting the last value gap up the leg here. The LFVG. If we unbust this, I think we will go for this low here. We've unbusted it on ES as well. I think we will. I'm not personally entering into a trade here, chat. I'm not trying to force a trade, and I would prefer long positions, but we have unbusted this on ES, we have unbusted this on Nasdaq. It would make sense to go to these lows. We have a bearish SMT. The only thing is we do have equal highs on ES. What is also nice is we're respecting the last value gap off the leg. An FVG right there. But no, I'm personally staying out here. I don't wanna be risking anything towards the end of the session when Trump has been talking the whole session, for me personally. But yeah, I'm gonna be trading the PM session. I'm gonna be trading the PM session today. But anyways, chat. Thanks everybody for watching the stream today. I know it has been a slow I know it's been a slow one because obviously Trump's talking, but again, as long as you're learning and as long as you're understanding why certain trades are good, why certain trades are bad, then you do this every single day, then watch in the future, you'll be making a stupid amount of money from trading, okay? But yeah, if you want to get access to these live streams, then I stream Tuesday to Friday, and also the PM, you can join the PM sessions as well, hosted by some of the people in the Discord. Here is the link there to join, and also if you want to get your funded accounts, there is 80% off with code Louis right now. And yeah, there's the link to get access to these, to get access to the live stream for the rest of the day. And yeah, I hope everybody enjoyed the stream. It is annoying that we couldn't get the trades in, but we can't control the markets and when Donald Trump speaks, sadly. But anyway, hope everybody has a good rest of the day and good luck if you're trading the PM session. And I will see most of you tomorrow for the streams tomorrow. And of course, if you want to learn the strategy, get the best trading course. Louis, I can't. Oh, a nice message to end the stream here. Louis, I can't thank you enough. I'm so grateful that I found you. I'm still learning, but instead of failing evals consistently, I'm taking consistent trades and passing evals. That's what I like to see. And yeah, I'll see you all tomorrow, or see you all in the PM session. This actually was a little winning trade there if you took that. But yeah, see you all later. Bye everybody. See you later or tomorrow. Everybody join the streams and get the course. Bye guys.
Már benne, de több az, ami vár. Előttem utalattam a katakon bár. Ahol járok félút, még úgy vágyok arra, hogy a szemembe nézhess. Szebb lett, mint a múltban, de valami fáj. Ez nem igazi dolog, ez valami szimulált. Nincsen LSD rá, jól tudom, de legalább túls gazdag, mint padló. Márványból a padló. Sziasztó lett ez az élet, de nekem nem ez kell, attól tartok, hogy engem is tovább.
A YouTube Music észleli, hogy mi tetszik neked. Már az alkalmazás megnyitásától kezdve.
Úgy, mint az előbb, vigyázz, ha megjövünk, hajrá! Nézzük be, mit hoztak a sorsunk, ha már nem találhatunk haza. Izodom, hogy még összemegyek, olvadra nyomom, mint a szóló. Egyedül veled betalál, reggel gyullad a szaza.
Order filled.
Menni a baj, de nem mondd el, hogyha kiérdezívás legyen ez a titok, csak is a miénk. És ígérek egy házat, nem is kell, hogy válasz, a showbizniszat támasz. Tudom már a filmed végét, megvabodnasz, de hoppá, baby. Ha annyi forint lenne a zsebben, ahány embert rettenthettem el. Baszok ötleben nyújtott a kiadó, itt mondom, hogy zenétem nyom a rádi. 20 évesen jobban tudom mi, hogy jobban tudom mi a füst. Látja, tudja mi a hangom. nekem a burítéd is csókolj lazán. Olyan droga cigi Bruce Lee, arra most a pacet van HVT. Óra vonatól lesem a Hawaii hegyekig, az élet minden percet tud a szív, te velem legyél. Rendben haza, hiszodom, hogyha még a szemeden lát. Almazányomból én a szóló, egyedül a keretem betelel. Reggel nulla lesz a szar, teted bukott el, ami jár. Te vagy az, akiben én bíztam, és aki sose verek át. Egy nap éjjel máshogy lesz, és bánod majd, hogy érsz. Lehet bánom már, hogy fáj, bánom már, hogy fáj. Egy nap éjjel máshogy lesz, és bánod már, hogy érsz. Lehet bánom már, hogy fáj, bánom már, hogy fáj.
Tudom milyen érzés, hogyha nincsen semmi, és a bankkártyádra inkasszott már a telekon. Szegények voltunk, de sokat nevettünk, befüvezve botlan a hátsó tervasz. Mondták, teltek az évek, és nem változtam én. Sok haveromat megvalódította a pénz. Kinevettek, mikor előttem volt a cél, most pedig mindegyik a tenyér flatla.
Eltekerem ott a blokk alatt, ról a kannabisz, amíg a szemem leragadon a vín. Most már csak ez a feladat, és már nem szítják le a telefonomat.
Order filled. 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 Order filled.
Cső. Cső. Ihaj kés. Cső. Ihaj kés.
Order filled. 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 Order filled.
Na kijövök. Na kijövök. Akkor gyere ki. Akkor gyere ki. Cső. Cső.
Apa a legjobb át a környéken. De ezt csak én tudom. És a környék. És így nem is fogják többet. Én tudom. És a környék. És így nem is fogják többet.
Decisions as I go to anywhere I flow. Sometimes I believe, at times I wish you know. I can fly high, I can go low. Today I got a million, tomorrow I don't know. Decisions as I go to anywhere I flow. Sometimes I believe, at times I wish you know. I can fly high, I can go low. Today I got a million, tomorrow I don't know.